Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 Great 35-foot 10 by 102, folks. This is a factory unit. Been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. You can see that it's in excellent condition. Kingpin plate's in excellent condition also, has been checked and verified inside and out. As we come down the side here, got a little ladder on the side to climb, brand new buyer's toolbox. This unit is equipped with aluminum outer rim, steel inner, brand new rubber. Brakes are new. Universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. High mount on this unit, folks. Steel wood, excellent condition. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. As I said, aluminum outer rim, steel inner, brand new rubber all the way around. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.